What's up, world? Welcome back to CCS Central Hub. My name is Zewel Miles, a humble computer student of Our Lady Fatima University. And then today, I will be showing you on how to install Parrot OS on VirtualBox. Before we proceed, we're going to need, of course, VirtualBox. So, if you did not have downloaded the VirtualBox, I'm gonna leave a download link in the description below. The next is the Parrot OS file, and I will also leave the download link in the description below. Then after downloading the OS, we proceed now to downloading the OS into the VirtualBox. See, this is the file that you will be using. Since I'm using the Windows 11, this is the file name that you would get for installing the Parrot OS. The next is enter. You should already first install the VirtualBox before opening this file. Then next, enter. On this tab, click finish, then agree. Then we wait for its installing the OS. Now after installing, we start the Parrot OS inside the VirtualBox. So while it's starting, so what is the Parrot OS? Parrot OS is a Linux-based operating system designed primarily for security and privacy. It is widely used by ethical hackers, security researchers, and privacy-conscious users. Parrot OS offers tools for penetration testing, digital forensics, reverse engineering, and software development, making it suitable for cybersecurity tasks. And it is lightweight, Debian-based, and comes with pre-installed tools like AnonSurf for anonymous browsing and strong encryption features. Parrot OS also supports Home Edition for general purpose use, focusing on security and privacy without the advanced tools. And at last, we finally installed Parrot OS or Parrot Security into the VirtualBox. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and click that bell for updated notifications of when I uploaded a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.